Don't feel like having a Bud Light, how's tequila with some salt and lime. Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you. Feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you. About you. About you.
Oke teman-teman, thank you for much for watching. Jadi itu videonya ya. Dan hari ini saya dibantu oleh salah satu sahabat saya, yaitu siapa? Bob ya. Oke, saya bantu tekan Bob. Jadi gitu aja videonya ya. Jika kalian suka dengan videonya, silahkan subscribe channelnya. Jika kalian mau memberikan, silahkan. Dan jika ada yang ditanyakan, silahkan. Oke. See you next time and bye bye. Jadi gimana Mang?
Biasa.
Kedepannya kita akan bikin lagi ya. Betul Mang?
Yo man.
Yo man. Oke. See you next time man.